So let's go ahead and get started. My name's Miss Meg. I'm really glad that you are here today for yoga. When we do our yoga today, we're gonna need enough room to move around in big and small ways. And we always wanna be safe. So check around your floor and make sure that there's nothing you might step on or bump into. If you need some water, if you get thirsty while you do yoga like I do, go grab some water. And if you have a yoga mat, awesome. If you don't, you can use a blanket or the carpet or the floor. You could even just make a pretend yoga mat. Maybe it's sparkly or has a superhero cape on it. We're gonna start today with balloon breathing. So a balloon, when we blow up a balloon, like think of like a birthday balloon, we blow it up, it gets big, it fills up with air. And then what happens when you let the air out of the balloon? It gets smaller, right? So we're gonna do that with our body. I'm gonna turn to my side so you can see me. So sitting crisscross, my hands go on my legs, so put your hands there too. And we're gonna breathe like a balloon, first with just our chin, our head, and our chest. So watch me, I'm gonna breathe in, I'm gonna look up and push my chest forward up. So I breathe in, and when I breathe out, I'm gonna look down at my belly button and try to touch my chin to my chest. And my back gets round. So I breathe in, I lift my heart and eyes up. And then I breathe out, look at my belly button, push my chin into my chest. Let's try 2 more times together. Ready? Hands on your legs, breathe in, look up, lift your heart up, and then breathe out, round your back. 1 more time, up, and breathe out. Okay, cool. I bet you got this by now. Let's add on our arms. So this is our warm-up, getting our body ready for yoga. So this time when we breathe in, we're gonna lift our arms up, look up. And when we breathe out, we give ourselves a hug, look down. Breathe in, reach up, get really big like that balloon. And when you let all your air out, get small. 1 more time, ready? Big breath in. And long breath out. Very nice. Okay, friends, our breathing is ready. We stretched out our shoulders and our upper body, our neck. I think we're ready to go on a bear hunt. This is one of my favorite books. We are going on quite the adventure today. Let's start standing up to go on our trip to the forest, looking for bears. Maybe you put on some yoga binoculars. We're gonna start with marching, lifting our knees up like this, good. And you can do what I do and say what I say all throughout class. Are you ready? Good, so we're gonna march, march, march. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna find a big one. We're not afraid. It's a beautiful day. Wave to the sun, hello sun. Oh no, oh no, get down a little. It's tall, wavy grass. Can you be tall, wavy grass? Going side to side. All right, here's where it gets tricky, friends. We can't go over the grass. Show me your dog pose. Hands down, feet down. We can't go over the grass. We can't go under the grass. Snake pose. Put your belly and chest down on the ground. Lift up, just like that breathing balloon we did. Nice. We have to go through the grass. We're gonna stand on one leg, hands on our hips, and try to kick our leg forward and back as we swish, swish through the grass. You try, kick forward and back. Swish, swish. Nice. Let's keep looking for those bears. We lift our knee up really high. You can even hold on to it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna find a big one. Make your body as big as you can. We're not afraid. Shake your head no. It's a beautiful day. Good. Hello, sun. Oh no. Oh, it's an icy, cold river. We can't go over the river. Dog pose. We can't go under the river. Snake pose. We have to take a boat through the river. Boat pose. We sit on our bottoms and put our feet down, 1, 2. If you have done boat pose before, you might not need to use your hands. But if this is new to you, put your hands down. Ready? We lean back and whoop, lift up our feet. Good, maybe we lift up our arms and try to balance on our bottom. Row through that icy cold river. Row, row, row your boat down the icy stream. Merrily, 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 bear hunting's a dream. Whew. We made it through the icy cold river. No bears yet. Let's keep looking. Ready? Knees up. We're going on a bear hunt. Good. We're gonna catch a big one. Are we afraid? No, we're not afraid. It's a beautiful day. Hello, sun. Oh no. Oh no. It's ooey, gooey, sticky mud. You know, we can't go over the mud. Show me that strong dog pose, hands down, feet down. We can't go under the mud. Ready? Hands by your body, push up, 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 up. We have to squish through it. Standing up tall. We're gonna take some big squishy steps. Make your legs big. Good, your hands can be on your hips, or you can put them on your legs. We're gonna take big, squishy steps. Squish, squash, squish, squash, squish, squash, squish, squash, and stop. Can you wiggle your toes in the mud? Let's put our hands down there too. Squish, squash. Oh, this mud is so ooey, gooey, and sticky. No bears yet. Let's keep looking. We're gonna march, knees up. Good. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna find a big one. We're not afraid. It's a beautiful day. Hello, sun. Oh no, get down little, we're scared, oh no. It's a forest of spooky trees. We can't go over the trees. Dog pose, hands down, feet down. What else can't we do? That's right, we can't go under the trees. Cobra pose, nice. We'll have to tiptoe through the trees. Tree pose. Yoga class, we put our feet together. We wiggle them close, and we clap our hands in front of our strong, proud heart. We lift up our leg, just like marching, and whoop, turn it to the side. Put your foot on your other leg. Good. This is our tree pose. Now, this forest is full of spooky trees. Can you make your tree spooky? Maybe it's a crooked tree, or maybe it's a tree with no branches. Whoa. Tree pose is tough. It's okay if you fall out. Good. Okay. Let's tiptoe through the trees. Shh. Tiptoe. Tiptoe. Shh. 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 Now in yoga, we have to do poses on our right and left sides. So let's try our tree pose again. This time I'll see if I can knock you over, okay? Wiggle your feet together. Clap your hands in front of your heart. We lift up our leg and whoop, tree pose. Show me your strong, stable, frozen tree. I will come try to blow it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you fall down? Did you stay up? I have pretty strong yoga breath. I might have blown you down. All right. Well, friend, there is no bear in this forest. Let's go running this time. We've been marching. Maybe we go running. Yeah. We're going on a bear hunt. Run, run, run. We're gonna find a big one. Good. Big stretch out and star pose. We're not afraid. Shake your head right and left. Nope. It's a beautiful day. Mountain pose. Hello, sun. Oh no. It's a snowstorm. Snowflakes everywhere. We can't go over the snowstorm. Dog pose. Lift your bottom up. Hands and feet on the ground. We can't go under the snowstorm. Whoa. Get down low. Lift up your head and chest. Hiss like a cobra. We have to go through the snowstorm. We're going to get through the snowstorm in our snow helicopter. Sit crisscross. Touch your shoulders to make our helicopter wings or the propellers. And we start to twist, swish, 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 swish through the snowstorm. Show me you're twisting. Good. Can you look behind you? Do you see any bears yet? Stop. Oh, no bears, but we put on our yoga binoculars and we see a cave. Let's run up to the cave. Stand up tall and let's run, run, run. We're going on a bear hunt. Run, run, run. We're going on a bear hunt. Run, run, run. We're gonna find a big one. We're not afraid. It's a beautiful day. Stretch up tall. Hello, sun. Look, we made it to the top of the mountain where we spy a cave. Let's make a cave shape with our body. Make your feet wide. Hands over your head. That's the top. Let's look inside the cave. Ready? Can you bend in half? Look inside your cave. Whoa. Friends, we can't go over this cave. Dog pose. We can't go under this cave. Put your belly down, hug your elbows in, lift your head up. We have to crawl through the cave. It's a little cave. Hands on the ground, high five the floor, knees on the ground. We're gonna pretend to crawl. Ready? Can you reach one arm forward and one leg back? Wow, let's try the other side. Oh man, keep crawling. Good. It's dark and gloomy inside the cave. We crawl and try to not get dripped on by the water falling from the ceiling. It's so dark inside the cave. We put our hands out in front of us to help us feel our way around. Wiggle your fingers. What was that? One shiny nose. We feel 2 furry ears. Give your ears a little bit of a rub. And 2 big googly eyes. Oh man, suddenly we hear a loud roar. Here's how we do our roar in yoga. Reach your bare paws up to the sky. Take a big breath in your nose. We put our paws down and say, stick out your tongue. Let's try again. Reach your bare paws up. Breathe in big through your nose. Stick out your tongue, say, it's a huge bear, friends. Quick! We have to crawl out of the cave. Ready? We have to crawl out of this cave. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Oh, we have to go back through the snowstorm. Crisscross. Hands on your shoulders. Twist through the snowstorm and our snow helicopter. Keep going. Twist, twist, twist. We have to tiptoe through the forest of trees. Ready? Tree pose 1. We have to do it fast. Tree pose 2. Oh my goodness, friends. Now we have to go through the ooey gooey mud. Remember those big muddy steps? We take them a little faster. We have to take our boat through the icy cold river. Down on your bottom, feet down, hands down. Ready? Row, row, row your boat fastly as you can. Merrily, 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 merrily. Oh, the bear's getting closer. Go faster. Oh, finally, we get to the tall, wavy grass. We do our kicks through the grass. Kick, kick. Oh, we have to get home. Whoa, I lost my balance, did you? Oh, okay. I spy with my yoga eyes our house. We go running to our house. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. We get to the front door and we unlock it from the bottom to the top. Ready? Click all the locks. Move your hands. We go through the door and run upstairs to our room. Run, run up the stairs. Oh, wait, stop. We forgot to lock the door. Oh, we have to go back downstairs. Okay, running down the stairs. Stop. We lock the door from top to bottom. Ready? Reach up. Click all the locks. Okay, run back upstairs to your bed. We're safe from the bear now. He can't get through all those doors. We get up to our room and we sit in our bed. Phew. We grab the covers, reach down for your covers, and we pull them up and over our heads. Oh, we lay in our safe, cozy bed, and we say, oh, we are never going on a bear hunt again. Oh, friends, that bear hunt was so much fun. Oh, I think next time we just leave the bears to the forest. Maybe we learn about them in books or watch a show on TV. Oh. This is our part in class where we take a little bit of a rest. You can lie down on the floor where you already are. Or maybe you want to sit crisscross. I'm going to read you a little story. And all you have to do is listen. Rest and listen. You can stay laying down, or you can sit up like me. Let's start by taking a big breath in our nose, just like that bear breath. And then breathe out your mouth. Good. Let's do that again. Breathe in your nose. And breathe out your mouth. We're going to keep breathing in some proud feelings. I'm very proud of the bravery and courage you showed today, trying out yoga and going on our bear hunt. Remember, the only thing you have to do is listen. Think of a time when you felt proud of yourself. It may be a time when you were kind to someone else, when you did something you felt really good about, or when you know you tried your very best. Now think of your favorite color. Take a long, deep breath in and see that color breathing into your body through your nose. Feel the pride in your color going into every part of your body. Now let's breathe out. Let's try it again. Ready? Take another breath in. See your favorite color. It's coming in through your nose, filling up your whole body. And now we breathe the color out so it fills up the space around us. Breathe in and breathe out. So friends, I have a challenge for you. The next time that you feel proud of something you are doing, try to remember to breathe in that feeling of pride and thinking of your favorite color at the same time. Let that feeling of proudness, of pride, fill up every part of your body. Wonderful. You can stay laying down, or you can start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. If you're sitting up, you can gently wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, wiggle. Good. Maybe you take a stretch with your whole body and start to wake yourself up. When you're ready, sit in your yoga space. So I like to end my classes with something called affirmations. And these are statements, sentences that we say about ourselves that make us feel a certain way, maybe proud or pride, like the word we just learned, or happy or loved. And we can say them any time of day, not just during yoga. So let's practice them together now. I like to move my body when I say my affirmations. I am healthy. I am happy. I am loved. Awesome. Let's try that one more time. We make muscles and say, I am healthy. Smile to say, I am happy. Hands over our heart. I am loved. I am so very appreciative and happy that you came to join me for yoga today. And you showed lots of bravery and courage going on our bear hunt and learning a new way to focus and breathe when we feel proud. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your afternoon, whatever it has in store for you. And before we go, I want you to stretch your arms out really, really big and give yourself a hug, just like we started with. So wrap your arms around you. Good. See if you can touch your shoulders and give yourself a great big hug. Good. Now we have to do the other side. Ready? Arms out big again. And give yourself one more hug. Hug, hug, hug. Awesome. Open up your arms. Good. And then bring them up over your head and down to your lap. My name is Miss Meg. I'm so glad you joined us here today in my home, doing yoga at my house, just like you're doing yoga at yours. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or reach out. And if you'd like to share what favorite color that you were breathing in, you're welcome to unmute or turn on your video and share. The color that I was thinking of was yellow. It's one of my happy colors. So when I think of something I'm really proud of, I think of the color yellow. So that's the one that I was breathing in. Purple, lovely. Oh, I love purple. That's another great one too. All right, our time has come to an end. I hope to see you back next time, maybe on Thursday for yoga at 3 p.m. Peace.